Welcome, from MEIZU 16TH, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. So to get started, we will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, so you can find it somewhere in there. Or also we can use a paper clip and straighten out one of the ends. Now from there you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the device. And from here you have space for two different SIM cards. So you can either occupy one or both of the slots right there, and from there simply insert it back into the device. Give it a moment. At least in my case I have a pen on the SIM card, so it will, there we go, show it up. Let's confirm it, and there we go. That is how you insert a SIM card. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.